Have you ever wondered how investing in scientific companies could potentially reshape your financial future? It's an intriguing proposition, isn't it? A world of discovery, innovation, and financial growth. There's a certain thrill in betting on the minds that are shaping our future, yet it's not without its risks. It's an enigma, a puzzle we're all trying to piece together. But amidst this vast cosmos of scientific ventures, one such company that has been making waves in the scientific industry is Thermo Fisher Scientific. Thermo Fisher Scientific, a titan of the scientific industry, didn't just appear overnight. The roots of this powerhouse can be traced back to 1956, when a visionary named George Hatsopoulos founded a small company called Thermo in Waltham, Massachusetts. It was an era when scientific advancements were just starting to take flight, and Hatsopoulos saw an opportunity in the burgeoning field of thermionic energy conversion. In the early days, Thermo was a pioneer, leading the way in the development of cutting-edge technology. The company grew steadily, gaining a reputation for quality and innovation. But it wasn't until 50 years later that Thermo would take a significant leap forward. Let's fast forward to the year 2006. Thermo, by then a well-established name in the scientific industry, was about to join forces with another industry giant. Fisher Scientific, a company rich in history and prestige, having been founded in 1902, was a leader in providing scientific research services, products, and solutions. This was a company that shared Thermo's commitment to innovation and quality. And so, in a move that would change the landscape of the scientific industry, Thermo and Fisher Scientific merged. It was a meeting of minds, a blend of expertise, and a fusion of two companies that shared a common vision. The result? Thermo Fisher Scientific, a new entity that was greater than the sum of its parts. With the strengths of both Thermo and Fisher Scientific, Thermo Fisher Scientific was poised to make a significant impact on the scientific industry, and it did. In the years following the merger, the company expanded its reach, developed new technologies, and continued to push the boundaries of scientific discovery. Thermo Fisher Scientific is more than just a company. It's a story of vision, perseverance, and strategic growth. It's a narrative of how two companies, each with its own strengths and capabilities, came together to create something extraordinary. Now, a global giant, Thermo Fisher Scientific stands as a testament to decades of innovation and strategic growth. The journey of Thermo Fisher Scientific is nothing short of a roller coaster ride. A thrilling adventure with peaks and valleys, twists and turns, but with one consistent theme: upward momentum. Let's rewind to 2010. Thermo Fisher Scientific was a respected name in the scientific research industry, but far from the dominant player it is today. They had a vision to expand, to grow, to become an integral part of the scientific community. This vision was realized through strategic acquisitions and diversification into various sectors. By 2012, Thermo Fisher had acquired Phadia, a leader in allergy and autoimmunity diagnostics. This acquisition was a game changer. It allowed Thermo Fisher to broaden its reach into the healthcare sector, propelling its growth trajectory skyward. But they didn't stop there. Oh no. They continued to expand their portfolio. In 2013, they acquired Life Technologies, a company known for its advancements in genetic testing and precision laboratory equipment. This move cemented Thermo Fisher's position as a leading player in the scientific research industry. Fast forward to 2020. Thermo Fisher had become a behemoth in the industry, but they were faced with a new challenge, a global pandemic. Rather than cower in the face of adversity, they stepped up. Their contributions to the fight against COVID-19, from testing to vaccine production, were remarkable. This not only demonstrated their adaptability, but also their commitment to the global community. Thermo Fisher's growth is not just about acquisitions and expansion. It's a story of foresight, resilience, and commitment to innovation. They've navigated the unpredictable world of scientific research with agility, always staying one step ahead of the curve. Today, Thermo Fisher Scientific is more than just a company. It's a global force in scientific research, a trusted partner in healthcare, and a beacon of hope in times of crisis. Despite the challenges, Thermo Fisher Scientific has consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt and thrive. Their journey is a testament to their unwavering commitment to growth and the relentless pursuit of excellence. And that, my friends, is the kind of roller coaster ride we all want to be on. So, what does all this mean for an investor? Well, let's dive into the investment perspective of Thermo Fisher Scientific. Like any investment, it's essential to weigh the potential benefits and risks. Starting with the benefits, Thermo Fisher Scientific's stock performance has been notably robust. Over the past decade, the company has consistently outperformed the market, showing strong resilience even in volatile economic conditions. This is largely due to its diversified portfolio of products and services, which cater to a wide array of industries, from healthcare and pharmaceuticals to research and industrial applications. Furthermore, Thermo Fisher Scientific has a significant market presence. As a global leader in serving science, the company boasts an extensive customer base spanning across 50 countries. This broad geographical reach not only diversifies the company's revenue streams, but also provides a buffer against regional economic downturns. But what about the future? Well, Thermo Fisher Scientific appears poised for continued growth. The company is relentlessly pursuing innovation and expansion, with a keen focus on emerging markets and cutting-edge technologies. This proactive approach reflects the company's commitment to staying ahead of the curve and capitalizing on new opportunities. However, investing in Thermo Fisher Scientific is not without risks. The company operates in a highly competitive and regulated industry. Changes in regulatory policies or an unexpected surge in competition could potentially impact its market position. Also, while Thermo Fisher's broad product portfolio is a strength, it also exposes the company to risks associated with various sectors. Moreover, the company's performance is closely tied to the health of the global economy. Any significant economic downturn could adversely affect demand for its products and services. Lastly, currency fluctuations, being a multinational corporation, can also influence the company's financial performance. Investing in a company like Thermo Fisher Scientific requires not just understanding the company, but also the industry and market trends. It's about recognizing the interplay of various factors and making an informed decision based on a comprehensive analysis. After all, successful investing is as much about managing risks as it is about seizing opportunities. To sum up, investing in scientific companies, particularly Thermo Fisher Scientific, can be both exciting and challenging. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed in this video. We started our journey with the birth of Thermo Fisher Scientific, a company born from the merger of two industry giants. We learned about the founding vision, the commitment to innovation, and the drive to push the boundaries of scientific discovery. Thermo Fisher Scientific was not built overnight, but rather it's a testament to the power of perseverance, strategic partnerships, and a clear vision. Then we delved into the company's impressive growth trajectory. We saw how Thermo Fisher Scientific transformed from a promising venture into a global leader in the provision of scientific research services. We explored its diverse product portfolio, its strategic acquisitions, and its continued investment in research and development. All these factors have contributed to its robust financial performance and its strong position in the market. But what does all this mean from an investment perspective? We discussed how Thermo Fisher Scientific's growth narrative, its financial health, and its strategic direction make it a compelling investment proposition. We examined the company's consistent dividend payouts, its solid return on investment, and its commitment to shareholder value. However, we also acknowledge the inherent risks and uncertainties associated with investing in the scientific sector. In essence, we've seen that Thermo Fisher Scientific is not just a company, but a story of growth, innovation, and resilience. It's a narrative that encapsulates the excitement of scientific discovery and the potential for significant financial returns. However, it's also a tale that reminds us of the complexities and challenges of investing in the scientific sector. Like any investment, it necessitates due diligence, patience, and an understanding of market dynamics. But who knows? You might just be investing in the next breakthrough in science. In the world of investment, knowledge and timing are everything. It's imperative to remember that investment isn't merely a game of chance. It's a calculated adventure that requires a deep understanding of the terrain. Delving into the intricacies of a company like Thermo Fisher Scientific, for instance, is not just about examining its past performance or future projections. It's about comprehending the nature of the industry and the role this company plays within it. It's about understanding the innovation and the potential that lies within the realm of science and technology. Investing is akin to sailing. You need to know the sea, the wind, and the stars. You need to understand your ship, its strengths and its weaknesses. Similarly, before making an investment decision, you need to understand the company, its industry, and the market conditions. So don't just follow the herd, forge your own path. Do your own research, look beyond the numbers and the charts. Try to understand the story behind the company. Empower yourself with knowledge and arm yourself with understanding. Because in the end, the most successful investors are not just those who choose the right company, but those who understand why they are choosing it. As we wrap up, remember this: the future is not a distant, intangible concept. It's being shaped right now by decisions like these. Remember, the future is shaped by those who are willing to invest in it. So keep exploring, stay curious, and happy investing.